Good morning, students. This is Priya, your English teacher from Alpha International CBSE School, Bahur. And welcome back to our grammar session. In the last session, we had discussed about chapter 5 models from ACE grammar book. Isn't it? Yes. And today we are going to continue the remaining half of the chapter 5 models. So in the last session, we have discussed regarding the tabular column in which we had come across what are the models and where are the models to be used and example sentences for such models and usages. Isn't it? And today we are going to do the exercises based on those models which we had learn in that tabular column. Okay. So last session we had done, I think, the first Roman, like the circling, right? Circle the correct option to complete the sentences. Hope you all have done that exercise also and activities. And today let us do the continuation, that is Roman B. Okay, children? Now open page number 43 in your ACE grammar book. Open page number 43 in ACE grammar book and be ready with your pencils, children. And here it is B Roman. A Roman we have already done. B Roman, there are nearly 10 questions. So I am going to teach you first 4 and the remaining things you have to answer. For those 10 questions, the options given were only 6. It means these options can be used again if needed. Understood? We can use again and again if needed. So only 6 options and questions are nearly 10. So the Roman number B is complete the sentences with models from the box. So with the help of these options, the models which is given in this box, we have to complete all these sentences in page number 43. So you do along with me, children. The first one, Jessica should have told her family the truth about what she has done. It means there is a necessity for her to tell, it should be done. So should is a model which should be used here. Second one, why didn't you tell me that you were eating at your friend's house? I dash have cooked so much food. It means, for example, a mother is asking, eating in your house is it's a bad thing, but you must have informed. Why? Because the food which is cooked for that certain person is being wasted. So that is why she says, why didn't you tell me that you were eating at your friend's house? It means why you didn't tell that you are eating. I dash have cooked so much food. Then what? It means if you had told before itself, I might have not cooked. So the answer is, why didn't you tell me that you were eating at your friend's house means I need not have cooked so much food. So if they had informed before itself, there is no need to cook so much food, right? That is why here the necessity of information is needed. So need not comes to the second answer. The second answer is need not. Right, children? Third one, why did you wade so far in the water? You dash have drowned. So for example, if we are taking you to the beach, if you go so far into the water, what will happen? We may drown, right? When it is in the past tense, how will you say? The question is here, why did you wade? Why did you wade so far into the water? You dash. It means it is showing the probability. They are not saying confirmly you will be getting drowned. They are showing if you go so far in the water, you may drown. But if it is in the past tense, there is no option for may. So what will come? Might. To express the possibility or probability, we can use this may or might. So the answer is might. Why did you wade so far in the water means you might have drowned. So the answer for third one is might. Fourth one. I dash have got up early in the morning, dash have slept for some more time. It means I dash have got up so early in the morning, dash have slept for some time. He is regretting that he had so much time to sleep, but unwantedly, wastedly, he woke up early in the morning. So, there he wants to express the need there, need of sleep. So, the answer is I need not have got up so early in the morning. I need not got up so early in the morning. I could have slept for some time. If I know that today is a holiday, I could have slept for some more time, no? I thought today is a working day, so I got up early. I need not have to got up so early in the morning and I could have slept for some more time. Now you understood the needy of sleep in that sentence? Yes. Now check the answers dear. For the second one, I need not have cooked so much food. And for the third one, why did you wait so far in the water? You might have drowned. Fourth one, I dash have got up so early in the morning. I could have slept for more time. So these are the 4 questions children, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Remaining 6 questions you have to do on your own with the help of the answers given in this box. If you have any doubts regarding the answers, the key answers will be given along with this session. So you can check in the key answers. Okay guys? Now turn the page. Page number 44. Page number 44. This thing you no need to write the C Roman children, because C Roman I will explain the question as well as the answers. You just listen to me, no need to write. Use appropriate models to form sentences using sentences suitable for these situations. Use appropriate models to form sentences suitable for these situations. First one is request someone to move to one side so that you can get off the metro. It means here they are asking us to request someone to move one side so that we can get down from the metro train. How will you do that? Could you move to one side please? Now, the second one is advise your younger sibling to brush his teeth daily. We have to advise your younger sibling, so your brother or sister, the younger one, to brush his teeth daily. How will you advise them? We cannot request the children, they will not do. So, we have to request them in the way of commandment. Like, how will you say? You should brush your teeth every day. If we say in that tone only, they will listen to us. Isn't it children? Yes. The third one, request your mother to sign your diary. The question is, you have to request your mother to sign your diary. How will you request? You have to use the word could. Mother, could you please sign my diary? Could you please sign my diary. So, request we have to use please and could if we want to request our elders. Fourth one is request your teacher to repeat what she said. Now your teacher is explaining something and you don't understand and you want to request your teacher to teach it again, you can use like, could you please, dear teacher, or excuse me ma'am, could you please repeat what you said, or could you please repeat what you said miss, ma'am, anything you can use. So these are the ways how to express your way of request or advice. Understood guys? Okay. Now Roman number D. Roman D in same page 44. Here you have to tick along with me children. Whenever I say you to tick the answer, you have to do. First one is, look D. Take the correct models to express the functions in the brackets. So in the brackets they have given what are the functions and we have to choose the right answer. First, when I dash take a day off and visit the doctor, possibility means you can do or you cannot do. So what will you do? Say, I might take a holiday to visit the doctor. You are not sure about it, right? So you can use might. Second one, can or may I help you with the bags? Informal offer. Here you want to offer your ability to some others and you want to express your help to others. So, if we want to ask a permission, we can use may. But here you are offering your ability to them. So, the way you have to ask is, can I help you with the bags? Tick the right answer as can. Can is the right answer. Third one, they dash be in the waiting area. Here the first option is possibility. So possibility means they can or they cannot. So at that time what will you use? Possibility means what comes? May or might. So they might be in the waiting area. If we want, somebody is asking us where are they? We don't know, we saw them in the morning in the waiting area. Now we don't know whether they are there or not. So if we want to tell that whether they are there or not, we can use may or might. Can will not be used because can is used only for the ability of a person. So the right answer is might. Could or shall I ask them to come back in? Now you are going to offer. You are not requesting, but you want to help someone else. If you need help only, you have to request like using may, could. Okay. But here if you are offering, if you want to offer, you have to use shall. Shall I ask them to come back in? Now check the answer students. For the first one might, second one can, third one is might and shall. Okay. 1, 2, 3 we have finished. 4, 5 and 6 you have to tick along with the you have to tick the right answer as per the functions given in these brackets. Okay guys. So the remaining 3 you have to do the workouts. Now let us start Roman E. Roman E in page number 44 only guys. Roman E, in these pairs of sentences, children wait, Roman, it is not Roman E, it is Roman F. Roman E because there is no place for you to write here. So let us do the F Roman. F Roman is in page number 45. In page number 45 F Roman, in these pairs of sentences, tick the sentence which is more polite. Tick the sentence which is more polite. Give me the key, will you? Could I please have the key? Which is more looking more polite, children? This, could I please give the key? Isn't it? Yes. Now look here. Second one. I am afraid the line is busy. I am afraid the line is busy. Can you please hold on? I am afraid the line is busy. Will you hold on? Which is looking more pleasing with more politeness, children? The first sentence. So tick the first sentence. I am afraid the line is busy, but can you please hold on? So tick the first sentence, A sentence. Now coming to the third one. May I see your notes? Can I see your notes? Which is more polite in these things? A. Because may I see your notes is looking more polite when compared to can I see your notes. Fourth one, could you answer the door? Would you mind answering the door? Which is looking more polite, children? Could you answer the door or would you mind answering the door? The answer is could you answer the door. It is in the request form. So check the answers again. For first one B, second one A, third one A, fourth one is also A. Remaining 3 questions you have to tick it. Okay guys? Yes. Now look into the G Roman, that is in page number 45 at the bottom of the page. At the, can you see at the end of the page you can see G Roman. Complete the second sentence using can or can't or could or couldn't. Can or can't or could or couldn't, so that it means the same as the first sentence. Use the words given in the bracket. Use the words given in the bracket. It means you have to use can or can't, could or couldn't, and also you have to use this word also which is given in the bracket. Example, I did very badly at school because I really hate boarding school, and you have to use the stand here. You have to change the whole sentence into negative thing. Okay. I did not do well at all because I couldn't stand boarding school. Both the meaning are same. The meanings of both the sentences are same, but we have to change the sentence by using couldn't and didn't. I did very badly at school because I really hated boarding school. The same thing can be said in this way, in the very polite way, like I didn't do well at all because I couldn't stand boarding school. Now coming to our exercise parts, guys. I have forgotten everything I ever learned there. Now we have to use remember along with can or can't or could or couldn't. We have to use either all these, any one of these along with remember. And now think the answer, ma. Think the answer now. I have forgotten everything I ever learned there. What will you write here? I couldn't remember I learned there will come? No. I could remember I learned there it will come? No, because they are talking about the forgotten. So not will only come. Can't or couldn't. I couldn't remember I learned there, or I can't remember I learned there. What comes here? Here we have to write as I can't remember what I learned there. So what is the answer? Write along with me, guys. I can't, C-A-N-T, can't. I can't remember. I can't remember what I learned there. So in the dash you have to write like can't remember what. Understood, ma? Now I really hated the fact that we were not allowed to have anything to do with cricket or football. So you have to use can or can't, could or couldn't, and also play you have to use here. I really hated that we were not allowed to have anything to do with cricket or football. I really hated the fact that we cannot play cricket or football will come guys, or couldn't play cricket or football. So when we are conveying something which we are not able to do because of others and we want to express this in a polite way, we can't use can't, because can't expresses only our ability, but couldn't expresses what the need as well as our grievances. So here I really hated the fact that we couldn't play cricket or football. So for remaining answers, for remaining questions children, I want you to use can or can't, could or couldn't along with these words which are given in the brackets. The answer key is given along with this, or else if you don't understand this, you are always welcome to ask me directly. So you will be having our school number. You can call at 9:30 to 3:30, and between 9:30 to 3:30 we will be available. You can call at any time to clarify your doubts. Okay guys? Yes. And next one. Roman H, that is also in page number 46. Choose the correct option to complete these sentences. Choose the correct option to complete these sentences. So here no need to change anything, only the options were given like multiple choice questions. You have to choose it. First one, we shouldn't scribble on the desk at school because it is our duty. It is our responsibility not to scribble on the desk. So we can't give that wouldn't. Wouldn't is that one to show the respect and shouldn't is to show the duty. Okay, shouldn't. When someone gives you something, you dash thank them. When someone gives you something, it is your responsibility to thank them, right? It is your duty to thank them. So to express the duty, you should say should only. You should use should, not may. May is used only to request. To express the duties, you have to use should. When someone gives you something, you should thank them. The answer for the second one is should. Third one, we dash get going now if we expect to reach home at time, on time. So ought to means it is a slightest meaning of like should or have to. Have to also is equal to should, sorry, ought to. We dash get going now if we expect to reach on time. So if we want to reach our home by 4 o'clock, we have to start by 3:30 itself. So here is there any should or have to? No. Then ought to. Ought to is also a meaning of should. It expresses the needy. We ought to get going now if we expect to reach home on time. So the answer is ought to. Fourth one, Anil dash overcome his fear of public speaking if he wants to be a good debater. Anil dash overcome his fear of public speaking if he wants to be a good debater. Here children, we are not justifying Anil's ability about his fear of public. Here we are trying to give a suggestion. We are going to express like expectation. We are expecting Anil to overcome his fear, and we are not telling that he can do or he cannot do. We are not talking about the ability, and we are not request him may do or might do, should do or must do. We are expecting his ability. If we want to expect something from Anil, we can use that has to. Anil has to overcome his fear of public speaking if he wants to be a good debater. So the answer is has to. Now check the answers, guys. For the second one, when someone gives you something, you should thank them. Third one, we ought to get going now if we expect to reach home on time. Fourth one, Anil has to overcome his fear of public speaking if he wants to be a good debater. And that's it, guys. The remaining sections, no need to do all these sections as we are not in the school now, isn't it, children? So, for each and every model, one exercise is enough for us to do. When we come to school, we can complete the remaining exercises. So, I have taught you nearly 6 to 7 exercises in this lesson, and that is the important thing, which are the important models to be learnt I have taught you today, and I have given what all the things in every exercises I have done 1 to 4, and the remaining will be your homework today. You have to do that, post it in the group, as well as if you want to check the answers, you can check the PDF key answers which we are sending you. Even though if you are having doubt, if you are not able to understand anything regarding this concept, you can call us between 9:30 to 3:30. We are available to clarify yours, and you are always welcome to ask and clarify your doubts with teachers who are present here. Hope you have understood chapter 5 models in ACE grammar book. So that's it, children. We have successfully completed chapter 5 models in the grammar book. Hope you all understood it, and you are always welcome to ask the doubts from my side, and be thorough. Don't keep any incompletes in your classworks or textbooks or exercises in the grammar book. Very soon we will be asking you to submit your books and notebooks for correction. So, try to complete all the exercises whatever we are teaching you. Okay, children, and this is Priya signing off from Alpha International CBSE School. Thank you, guys. Have a nice day.